fifth main 2.5. Now you can see 2.5p minus 1.5q whole square minus 1.5p minus 2.5q whole square. For this, you see here two identities we have to, the same identities we have to use, and we have to simplify. 2.5p whole minus 1.5q whole square is a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So let us expand this one. 2.5p whole square minus 2 into 2.5p into 1.5q, okay, plus 1.5q whole square you get. Then again for this 1.5p whole square minus 2 into 1.5p into 2.5q whole square plus, q plus the 2.5q whole square, okay. If we simplify this, that is 2.5 whole square, 2.5p whole square is 6.25, okay, p square minus, you have to multiply twice children, you will get this one 6.25 p square minus 2 in 2.5 into 2 is 55.0 into 1.5 is 7.5 pq plus here 1.5q whole square is 2.25 q square minus similarly this y I have taken here bracket, means since we have here minus sign, okay, here minus sign we have, so therefore we have to start with the minus. The meaning of this is this minus belongs to all the what is the terms here, whatever you get here, all the terms it belongs to, belongs, okay. So therefore I have taken here bracket. Now 1.5p whole square is 2.25 p square minus, multiply this, you will get 7.5. Similarly you get the same thing here, okay. So then next is after writing this minus, this one minus into minus plus this, and minus into plus minus this you have to write. Now 7.5 pq will get cancelled, 7.5 pq will get cancelled. Now 6.25 p square and then 2.25 p square. So what you get here, 4 p square you get, understood. Next is 2.25 q square minus 6.25 q square is 4 p q square you get. This is the answer you get, okay children. Now seventh one, m square minus n square m whole square plus 2m cube n square. So according to the identity, what is the identity you have to use here? Minus is there, yes, a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is according to that a square minus 2ab a square minus 2 into a is m square, yeah, together I have written here, I will tell you how you got here. 2ab plus b square, okay. So a square is m square whole square minus 2 into a is m square into b is n square m square into m is what, m cube n square, okay, plus n square m whole square, that is whole square in the sense m to n to the power 4 into m square plus 2 m cube n square as it is you write. So both will get cancelled here and remaining is m to the power 4, okay, plus n to the power 4 m square. This is the answer. Homework is second, fourth and sixth, okay. Please do the homework. The next fifth main, show that 4pq plus 3q whole square minus 4pq minus 3q whole square is equal to 48pq square. So expand accordingly, a plus b whole square and here a minus b whole square. So 4a square is 4pq whole square plus 2 into a into b. See children, have not written here identity, okay, but it is understood already. Many problems we have done here, so I have explained here, okay. So therefore you have to, by looking at this, you must know what type of identity you have to choose. So that is why I have not written here identity again, okay. So here what is the identity we have to use? A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Did you understand? Okay. Similarly, a minus b whole square, a square, here also plus we have taken minus a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay children, now 4 4 is 16 p square q square plus 2 4 is 8, 8 3 is 24 p q square plus 3 3 is 9 q square minus 4 4 is 16 p square q square minus 24 p square, sorry, p q square plus 3 3 is 9 q square. This is minus. Okay. Now 16 p square q square plus 24 p square p q square plus 9 q square minus 16 p square q square, minus into minus is plus 24 p q square, minus into plus is minus 9 q square. So here 16 this will get cancelled, and even 24 this also will get cancelled, and this also will get cancelled. The remaining is, don't think so, wait one second, 16, yeah, these two p square, yeah, this is these two are plus children, these two are plus. Okay, these two are not going to get cancelled, you have to add. So if you add, how much will get? 48 p q square. This is the answer. All remaining terms will get cancelled. Okay, this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled, this is not getting cancelled since plus and plus we have, so we have to add it. So after adding, you will get here 48 p q square. So then fifth problem is a minus b into a plus b minus c into b plus c plus c minus a into c plus a equal to 0. That we have to prove. This all, if you simplify, you must get 0. How? So a minus b into a plus b is nothing but a square minus b square plus b square. B minus c into b plus c is nothing but b square minus c square, and c minus a into c plus a is c square minus a square equal to 0. Okay, 0. Okay children, so 0 you got. Hence we have proved here. The next is homework is first, second and third. Okay, homework. Now sixth main, using identities evaluate 102 whole square plus 100 plus 2 whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to, that is what the identity you have to use here. After this, substitute. See children, already we have done, I have explained in worked examples also. Okay, please accordingly you try to understand. This is easy. I think many times I have repeated these type of problems. So please see that. If you find any difficulty, you can call me and ask. Okay, fourth, this is fourth problem, a minus b whole square, and this is eighth problem. Okay, so this is ninth problem. Okay, and then not necessary to explain. I think if you find doubt, you can ask me. And this is the homework, first, second, third, first, second, fifth, sixth and eighth. Now seventh main, using a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b, find 1.02 whole square minus 0.98 whole square is equals to what? You can write this one. This can be written as 100 plus 0.02. You can write now whole square minus 100 minus 0.02. If you subtract, you will get back 0.98. So we can write. So after that, 100 square plus 2ab plus b square, that is 0.02 whole square, plus, okay, once again I'll repeat, 100 square 100 square plus 2 into 2ab plus b square 0.2 whole square 0.02 whole square minus here once again I have started with the bracket since we have here minus sign outside. So 100 square minus 2 into 100 into 0.02 plus 0.02 whole square. Okay children, now 100 square is 1000 plus 4 plus 0.0004 minus 10,000 minus 4 in 4 plus 0.0004. Now minus is there, so 10,000 minus into minus plus minus into plus is minus 0.0004. So you will get finally, will get cancel these things and then you will get 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. Similarly, 12.1 whole square minus 7.9 whole square is equals to 12 plus 0.1 whole square minus 8 minus 0.1 whole square. In a similar way, we have to simplify and like this, and then finally we'll get 84. Now first and homework is first and third. Okay, first and third is the homework. Now 8th main, using x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab, find this. So already I have explained this type of problems, that is 5 plus 0.1 into 5 plus 0.2. So simplify accordingly, you will get this answer. Okay, now next is fourth one, 9.7. 9.7 into 9.8 is equals to 9 plus 0.7 into 9 plus 0.8. Okay, x is equals to 9, a is equal to 0.7, b is equal to 0.8. So similar way, you have to simplify. 9 square plus 0.7 plus 0.8 into 9 plus 0.7 into 0.8. So 81, 9 is 81 plus 13.5 plus 1.5, that is equals to 96. Homework is first and third is the homework. First and third is the homework. Okay. So this is the end of the lesson. Please understand the lesson, and if you find any difficulty, you can call me and find out the doubt. You can clear the doubts. Okay. Thank you, children.